Hello everyone! Today we'll be discussing firmware upgrades for your Epiphan streaming and recording system. Particularly, we'll be looking at how to find out about updates, how to install the updates, and how to check to make sure that everything went well. I'll be using Pearl for this demonstration, but you can use the same process on a VGA Grid or VGA DVI Recorder Pro. Before you start, remember that the upgrades cause the system to reboot, so set aside a time slot where interruptions won't impact viewers or users. You might also want to save the current system configuration, should you wish to return to it later. You can see more details on that in our user guide. When you are ready to begin, log on to Pearl and you can see what version you currently have installed. You can find it on the info page or scroll down to the firmware upgrade page and check there. If you have online access, use this red box in the corner to download and install. If you can't see it but think there is an update, you can manually check for it with this button reading Check for Updates. Then just click Download and Install and click OK. The process takes about 30 or 40 seconds to download, then reboots. When your system has internet access, the process is easy, but what do you do if your device doesn't have network access to our firmware server? The first step is to contact our technical support or your vendor and request to have the new firmware upgrade file sent to you. The file you receive from us allows you to manually install the upgrade. Once you've received it, go to the firmware upgrade page and click the Browse button. Find the firmware file on your computer and select it. When you see the file name appear next to the Browse button, click Apply. The upgrade begins and the system reboots. After upgrading, Pearl will let you know that the firmware upgrade was completed. Then go to the info page and check the version number, and you can see that the new firmware is now the one that's installed. That's all for this video on how to install new firmware on your Epiphan streaming and recording system. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.